Hi, what's going on there? Welcome to my channel on Easy Chinese. This is Han Jiadu here. This video includes 8 Chinese characters about the direction. Hey, just remember to subscribe to my channel to have new updated videos. Okay, the first character. Dong, de-ong, de-ong-dong, dong-dong, east. Si, fixed combination. Si, west. Nang, 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 ne-ang, ne-ang, nang, south. Bei, bu, ei, bui, bei, north. Okay, check this picture. This is a city in ancient China surrounded by war. And normally there are two big markets, to east and west respectively. And people buy necessary stuffs from east and west markets. And gradually, these two characters combined to be Dong Xi, means stuff, tangible stuff that you can touch and see, tangible stuff, and extends its meaning to be intangible thing. For example, someone is blaring to you, and you ask him, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Dong Xi, intangible thing. So, Dong Xi not only means tangible thing, stuff, but also means intangible thing. Okay, check these 4 directions. They are reversed to English. Dong Bei, Dong Bei, north, east. Dong Nan, Dong Nan, south, east. And Xi Bei, north, west. Xi Nan, south, west. Okay, next 4 characters. 左 右 左 zi, wo, 左 means left. 右 yi, o, you means right. Left hand, 左 hand, right hand, 右 hand. Okay, next 2 characters. 前 后 前 qi, yin, I-A-N, still remember yin, second term yin, qian means front, something in front of you, front. Hou, hou, fourth term, o. Hou means back, something to your back, okay? And now just pay attention, very important. 前 and hou are something to do with time. 前 means before, ago, past. Hou means after, later, future. Very ridiculous. 2 Chinese characters. Front means past. Back means future. Very ridiculous. Hey, just relax. Let me give you an easy example to help you understand 前 and hou. Okay, right now I am on a road and there is a person in front of me. 前. Okay, and I check the time. It is 1 minute and he is walking toward me. Okay, and then by my side, I check the time again, 2 minutes. And he is moving forward to my back. Hou. And after another 1 minute, he is disappearing from a corner. So I say 1 minute ago, before 1 minute, 前. 1 minute past, 前. He is in front of me, 前. And 3 minutes later, 3 minutes hou. And after 3 minutes hou. And 3 minutes in future hou. Okay, He is to my back. 后. Okay, do you get the point? Very easy, right? And here's a memorable quote from a Chinese movie by the king of Chinese comedy, Stephen Zhou. Let me illustrate it to help you assimilate 前 and 后. Okay, before several years, 前 several years, there was a sincere affection presenting in front of me, presenting to my face, front, 前 face, 前 position, but I hadn't perished it until I lost it, 后, until I lost it later, 后, time. I regretted extremely, 后悔 regret. 悔 also means regret. 后 later regret. When do you feel regret? You only regret after a specific event happened. 后 later regret. Time. Okay. 前 several years. Time. 面 前 face front. 前 direction. Lost it later. 后 time. Later regret. 后 time. Okay, that's all for this video. Please subscribe to my channel to have new updated videos. If this video helps you, your thumb up will be highly appreciated. Thank you for your time and see you